back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. First of all, let me wish you all a very happy new year. I hope you all have a great year ahead of you. This is going to be my first video in 2026 and I'm very excited about it. That's right, because today we'll be unboxing a planner by Atelier Neorah. If you would have seen my previous videos, you would know how much I love to plan my day. I used to use monthly planners, daily planners, to-do list and all. When you have everything written down, it makes you feel productive, aware of the tasks you have to complete in a day. If you have watched my videos, you would know that I love trying out different planners. So this year for 2026, I am gonna try this planner from Atelier Neorah. And this planner is popularly called the India's Hobonichi. I'm so excited to see what's inside the package. So let's unbox it together. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, wow. I love the packaging, like really, the color, it's so cute. First, let's unbox this one. I don't have a scissor or knife with me. I hope it's fine that I'm using my hands to open it. Let's open it. Okay, I am opening it. There's a thank you card. And there's this note where they've written the history of their planner, how it came into existence and all. This is so cool, guys. Oh well, they have a user guide as well with this planner. I've used like 3 to 4 different planners before and I've never seen a planner that comes with a user guide. Nice. So in this, they've given a demo of how to use a planner. Obviously, you don't have to follow exactly how it is written in this guide, but you know, it's good to have some sort of guidance on how to use something, especially if you're a beginner. It's not just a user guide where they include points on how to use a planner. They've literally illustrated it. They've literally shown how to use this planner in a creative way. And it's so colorful. Like, I can see myself using this planner in a more creative way, in a more colorful way for sure. This is the planner. I do some unboxing videos, na? I love how it's like perfect size for a daily planner. Let's open it and see what's inside. One page, there's an option where you can write your name, important contacts, important dates and all. And this is the space where you can make your vision board. And here you have the yearly layout where you can write your goals for the year, starting with Jan and ending with December. If you want all your yearly goals in a single space, then you can definitely use this section. And after the yearly layout, we have the monthly layout. You can elaborate on your goals and like whatever you wish to do in each month of the year. There's a space for goals and things to do and even a health tracker. What's so cool about this planner is that you have a yearly layout, you have a monthly layout, and even you have a weekly layout. Like, I've never seen a planner with a weekly layout. I've used planners with yearly layout, monthly layout, and daily layout. Especially when you are someone who likes to track your goals. If you're someone who makes weekly plans as well, this is gonna be so helpful for you guys. So that at the end of every week, you can look at this session and see what all things you have achieved or what all things you have missed, so that you can include those in your next week's agenda. And finally, you have the daily layout session where you can write your priorities, your affirmations, and what all you have accomplished and what all you are grateful for. And you can see that the pages are in a column format. If you're someone who likes to time block your days, add time slots as well in your daily tasks, then you can use the rows and column format and it'll be very helpful. If I'm being very honest with you, I'm a lazy girl. So I need this section of the planner the most, the habit tracker. So we have a habit tracker for every month of the year, and then we have the expense tracker as well. You know that I've moved out of hostel, right? So I'm living alone in an apartment. Keeping track of my expenses was something like I was really bad at last year, and this year I want to, you know, be better at it. So I think this planner is definitely going to help me with that. There are different sections where you can write the date, the item, previous balance, income, expenses, savings. At the end, you have a space to write your passions and the year in review. And this page you should probably use at the end of 2026, where you can conclude everything that happened in 2026 in a single page. So this is the page that is gonna be your, 2026 in a nutshell. And you can also see that the planner comes with a pocket where you can probably store any stickers or things that you use. And you also have these page markers. It also comes with a pen holder. You can stick it wherever you like. So like this is a sticker, you can just peel it off and then stick it. This is gonna be my planner for the year 2026, and I'm gonna use every single option this planner has, like the yearly layout, the monthly layout, the daily layout, and the weekly layout, and especially the habit tracker, expense tracker, and also the vision board. I haven't made a vision board yet. It is gonna be so handy that you have the vision board inside a plan. Every time you open it, you can see your visions laid out in front of you. If you're someone looking for a planner to buy for 2026, please consider this planner. I am sure that you're gonna love it. I'll add the link in the description so that you can check it out. So what are you waiting for? Go buy your planners. Make 2026 a really productive year. And that was my 2026 planner unboxing vlog. I hope you guys liked the video and the planner as well. See you soon. Bye bye.